They were filing our fingernails, toenails, so they don't scratch you. Right, kitty kitty? You don't want to scare a little girl if she gets scratched. She doesn't understand. Poor boy.